Forget everything you think you know about flagship phones, because the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just playing the game anymore. It's rewriting the entire rulebook. This isn't just Samsung's next big release. It's a bold declaration that they can still outshine everyone. Thanks to trusted insiders, we know this phone is shaping up to be the biggest game changer in display tech since OLED was invented. Picture holding a phone that's literally brighter than the sun. We're talking a peak brightness of 6,000 nits. That's not just sunlight visibility, that's sunlight obliteration. Every HDR video will burst to life with colors so vivid and real, it's jaw-dropping. But Samsung didn't stop there. They're adding a superior anti-reflective layer that cuts through glare like a hot knife through butter. Even under the harshest light, your display will stay crystal clear. And here's where it gets really cool. A new privacy display feature. Imagine sitting in a coffee shop and no one next to you can peek at your screen. Your content is for your eyes only. It's futuristic, it's secure, and it shows Samsung is still focused on you. All right, let's dive into the specs, because these numbers are insane. The S26 Ultra will reportedly feature Samsung's most advanced M14 OLED panel. Now for something we've all been asking for, charging speed. Samsung has heard us loud and clear. The S26 Ultra is finally upgrading from 45W to 60W fast charging. Less waiting, more doing. While the battery size might not change much, pairing it with that incredibly efficient display means you get better endurance and faster top-ups. A smart trade-off. When you put it all together, the record-breaking display, the privacy protection, and the faster charging, one thing becomes clear. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is here to set a new standard. While other brands chase gimmicks, Samsung is perfecting the most fundamental part of your phone experience, the screen. So, yeah, the S26 Ultra might not have the absolute biggest battery, but it's powered by a vision that's brighter, bolder, and more personal than ever. That's what makes it more than just another flagship. It's a statement. If you're as hyped for the S26 Ultra as I am, hit that like button, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and be sure to subscribe. The next few months are going to be wild. Until next time, stay curious and stay bright. Peace.